Well, everybody, good morning. So, yeah, I've got like zits left over on my face. They haven't disappeared yet. And excuse the lighting, but I just woke up. It's like 8:30 now, I think. I woke up at 8, but anyways, I was just chilling in bed. I wasn't planning on vlogging today because it's not supposed to be like an exciting day or anything. It's gonna be a very boring, typical, usual day. I don't work until like 4 p.m, so I don't actually work for a while. But I woke up to see this. Is October 2nd. Yeah, only October 2nd. And we already have a blizzard outside. Like, oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if I'm ready for this. I mean, I'm so excited for Christmas, but I only saw snow once while I was in Spain, and I never had anything colder than like 0. So I don't know if I'm ready for Canadian winter again. Like, I need to prepare myself. But anyways, I'm gonna go up and have a cup of coffee and probably just relax for the morning, and yeah, we'll see how this weather pans out. So the blizzard storm is pretty much just getting worse. I think they're calling for like 10 centimeters of snow or possibly more. So this should be going on all day, which kind of stinks because I was still enjoying taking the baby that I nanny. I'm still enjoying taking him for walks and stuff and going to the park and doing all that kind of stuff. But I think today when I go to work, which isn't until 4, it's kind of late today. But yeah, we'll just have to be in the house, which kind of stinks. I'm hoping that we can get a car seat that I can put in my truck and like, excuse my hair, like what is it even doing? But I'm hoping that we can get a car seat for my truck so that I can take him like, to like this little kid play park thing. It's indoor, and swimming, maybe we can go swimming some days. That would be fun. But yeah, today is just kind of like stay at home day. I've been playing Christmas carols because it feels like Christmas and I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm going crazy because it's 2 months early. But anyways, it's so windy and blizzardy and snowy, so it's great just to stay inside. And I'm just doing like stuff on my laptop and kind of just chilling out. So yeah. You guys, seriously though, look at the snow. It looks like Christmas. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't want to open this because it's all gonna come in, but like, oh my gosh. Okay, well, good Monday morning. All right, so for lunch, I'm just having, it's this like noodle and bean like stew that my mom made, which is really good, but I just wanted to add some vegetables in it. So like, I think there's tomatoes and stuff, but I just added some broccoli and spinach, so that's why it looks like a really weird like conglomeration, but it is so good. And then I don't know if I did an up, I guess I haven't. Okay, so I'm not gluten-free anymore, but I'm like limited gluten. So oh my gosh, what is with my hair today? Okay, so I'm limited gluten. So I do eat a little bit of gluten now. But I'll just keep it to where I'm only like, I only will like allow myself to have gluten for like one kind of meal or like as one snack during the day. So for lunch, I just have one piece of toast that I already took a bite out of. It just has this like garlic vegan cheese on it, which is really good. It's like so good actually. But anyway, so I have one piece of toast for lunch, which means like the rest of my day I won't have anything with gluten. So I do allow myself to have it, but like if I go out and have like pizza, or if there's an option to have like spaghetti with gluten-free noodles, then I'll always choose the gluten-free option if they have one available. But it's to the point where I'm not gonna like beat myself up if like I have gluten or something like that, because I'm not celiac. It was just to like help me get out of like this thyroid, like whatever kind of sickness, whatever it was. So yeah, I do have a little bit now, but I don't have it to like the amount that I used to. Like I used to have 2 pieces of toast for breakfast, and then I would have like, well, I guess it just kind of depends. I would just not be conscious or like aware of how much gluten I was having throughout my day. So now I just try and keep it like minimal. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this because it is still, I'm still in my pajamas too. Like, I'm so lazy, but it is absolutely crazy out there, blizzarding, and the snow is just coming down hard. So I'm going to have soup, warm myself up, and yeah, talk to you guys later. Guys, this is literally what this has come to. I feel like I'm in a snow globe right now. Like, oh my gosh, seriously, the snow has been coming down. Like, it's actually pretty light right now, but it's been coming down so strong. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get home. Oh my gosh, you guys, the roads are so bad, and I still have summer tires on my truck, so I am spinning. This is not safe, nor is it fun. I was not expecting this much snow on the 2nd day of October. Oh my gosh. Who's in the tub? Liam. Where are you going? Yeah.